Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crazy Tech Gaming. So guys, in this video I'm going to make a fingerprint door lock. This is a fingerprint sensor, this is a relay, Arduino Uno and this solenoid lock. We need these components to do this, and you can also replace a solenoid with a servo, and you can make a door lock. So let's start the video. Okay guys, now I'm connecting fingerprint sensor to the Arduino Uno. Green is the TX pin and yellow is the RX pin. Now TX pin to digital pin 2 and RX pin to D3 digital pin 3. So now you should connect this fingerprint sensor to 3.3 volts in the Arduino Uno, and this is ground pin to the ground of the Arduino Uno. So guys, we have successfully connected the fingerprint sensor to the Arduino Uno. So let's go with relay. Now connect the in wire to digital pin 8 and the ground wire to ground of the Arduino, and the VCC to 5 volt. So guys, we have connected the relay to the Arduino Uno. So let's go with the solenoid. Okay guys, for connecting the solenoid with the relay, we need a female port and 2 wires with removing this part of the wire. So first connect these 2 wires, female port positive and this wire. I'll tell you where to use this. So connect to the common, and now connect the solenoid positive terminal to the NO terminal in the relay. So guys, after connecting this, connect the black wire and the solenoid ground wire and the female socket ground wire to one wire, and cover with tape. After covering with tape, connect the black wire to ground of the Arduino and this red wire to VIN of the Arduino, voltage in of the Arduino. So guys, circuit connections are done. So please subscribe and like. So now we are going to upload the code. This is the page which we need to go. This is, you search in Google fingerprint sensor R307 Arduino library. Now it comes with a GitHub page. Click on that and you can see here the option is there in green color, code. Now we should download the zip. You can see here Adafruit fingerprint library zip. After going to the Arduino app, we should go to sketches, include library and add .zip library. So I have downloaded my files in the downloads. So this is the file which I downloaded in GitHub. Then now open. Okay guys, now you can see library installed. Now the library is installed. I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay guys, now after installing the library, now go to files and click on examples and go to the last and check adult fingerprint sensor library, and you can see here enroll. Click on that. So a new tab is going to open. Okay guys, this is the tab which you opened. Now upload this to your Arduino. Okay guys, after uploading the code, go to the serial monitor and you can see adult fingerprint sensor enrollment. Now type 1, whichever number you want to save. I type 1, click enter, and now keep your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Wait, I'll show you. Okay guys, now you can see here I'm giving my right thumb here. Enrolling my right thumb to the fingerprint sensor. So let's go with the main code. Okay guys, first compile the code. Okay guys, there are no errors, so let's upload the code to the Arduino. Okay guys, I have uploaded the code to Arduino. Let's check if it works or not. Okay guys, now I'm keeping my finger. You can see after keeping my finger the relay turns on, and again I'm keeping. Okay guys, now I'm going to take a 12 volts 1 amp adapter and connect this and give power to the solenoid. We'll check if it works. Okay, this is the 12 volt 1 amp adapter guys. Now I'm going to connect this to the Arduino. Okay guys, through this socket I gave power to the total circuit. Now let's try if it works when I keep my right thumb. Yes guys, you can see here. Again I'll show you. Yes guys, you can see the relay turns on green when I keep here. Yes guys, project is success. So okay guys, please subscribe to our channel Crazy Tech Gaming, and I'm going to take so many projects like this, so please subscribe. That's all for today guys. Bye bye.